Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video, I'll be doing question 51 from 1.5 exercises in James Stewart Calculus. So you're asked to solve for x. Let's start with the first one. So in the first one, we have e to the 7 minus 4x equals to 6. To take this power down, we need to apply the ln on both sides. So remember, if you find the ln of an e, whatever's up there will basically come down. And if you have a ln and you raise that as the power of e, then whatever's in here will also come down. So in our case, we have the first form where we have an e, and we're just going to find the ln of that so that the power comes down. So let's do that. So if you find the ln of both sides, you can either show it or leave it out, but let's show it. So this is what I mean. We're going to do the same on the right. On this side, as I said, that power will come down now. And this will just be ln 6. And we can leave the x on this side and take the 7 to that side. Then at this stage, it's totally up to you. You can first divide by the negative or just divide by -4. If you divide by -4, on this side, you're going to have 7 minus ln 6 over 4. Right, so that's the first one. And in the second one, we're going to do the second part of my initial explanation, which is where we now raise this as a power of e. So on both sides, we're going to have this. And you're going to raise both sides as a power of e. And this allows us to take that argument down. And on this side, we just have e to the power 2. I'm also going to leave the x on this side. The 10 go over, and it's now plus 10. So x would just be, so we're going to divide both by 3. So that'll be 1 over 3, e to the 2 plus 10 over 3.